What you do? This your head. This your head. It needs conk. It needs knock. I go ahead. Now hospital we need to respect ourselves, but we won't ever respect ourselves for anywhere where we go. Look at the abolo ricocco imoto daddy fion.
Hai graffiato.
Okay now, Alpha. At the area be waiting you want gist us. Waiting make you Mamma mia. Oyibo na too ugly if you na babe.
Come too ugly?
Not too ugly if you na babe. What you they do? What are you doing? Overfeeding. Overfeeding, pass it out for share. The share don't break out because of overfeeding.
What did you look?
Overfeeding. Enough food for you.
I'm on diet.
You are on diet. You are on diet, Wiepa. Tell me, which diet? Which diet you take? Mr. Luca, what motivates you to barb this hair? What motivates you? I'm asking questions.
The machine is easy. Fium.
Fium.
Understand though?
No, we don't understand you.
The machine is easy.
The
easy to use.
Speaking in Pidgin language.
I don't know any Pidgin.
The machine.
The
It
machine.
easy.
It easy, oh.
To use and take baba bolo.
Oh.
Wait, now to use and take baba bolo. To
use and
take baba bolo.
to use
To use her.
Da bolo di cocco, dai.
No.
Lasciami stare.
To use and take baba bolo.
To use and take baba bolo.
Take baba bolo.
Take baba bolo.
Abolo ricocco. Imoto daddy.
No make.
No, to
make
baba.
a bolo.
No, to bab.
Dai, stai su.
Come on. Abolo ricocco imoto. One person go collect. One person go collect. One person go collect. You want me to punch you? I'm going to sue. I will tell my daughters. I will tell the doctors and nurses that you are the one that break my leg. Help me. Epa. Look at. I'm holding my camera. Everything is on record. Everything is on record. I'm going to sue you. Don't worry. I will tell my daughters. Tell them everything. I'm here to collect my medication. Don't worry. I'm going to report you. Are you afraid?
No.
Why?
You are in my village.
I'm your village. Which village?
Ravenna village.
No, we're not the mention name.
Ormai ho già detto, cancella.
Sì, dopo cancello.